What's up? Danny Hayasaka with Call 100 Hill Direct, helping people do their business better. Today, we're taking a look at the brand new Yealink BH70 headset. Stay tuned. So what we're going to do is answer a few frequently asked questions, and then we're going to go right into some microphone tests. And I've tested this headset in a variety of environments, so you're going to have fun with that. All right, so first, what is the Yealink BH70? So it is a UC Bluetooth headset designed to work from anywhere. You can use it in your home office, your corporate office, and anywhere in between. Is it available in USB-A and USB-C? Yes. So the headset comes with either a USB-A or USB-C BT51 dongle. The Yealink BH70 comes in both stereo and mono versions. The Yealink BH70 are compatible across all major UC platforms, and they are available in Zoom and Teams certified models. The Teams certified variants do include the dedicated Teams button. So the Yealink BH70 features these kind of tactile buttons that I actually like because you know when you're pressing them, and that's really important. And you do have call control, mute, adjust the volume, and play pause music right from those buttons. What's the battery life? So the Yealink BH70 provides up to 35 hours of talk time and up to 43 hours of music listening time. Okay, so when you are listening through the speakers, one of the things that's available through Yealink USB Connect or through your mobile app, the Yealink Connect mobile app, is a music equalizer. So you're able to go in there and make adjustments to optimize the audio based on your preferences. Is it comfortable for all day wear? Yes, the Yealink BH70 is actually very comfortable. I don't know what they've done. They changed something in these speakers or in the material, but they're super comfortable and they're super lightweight, right? So the stereo version, this dual ear version right here, comes in at 147 grams or 5.19 ounces, and the mono version comes in at only 91 grams and 3.2 ounces. And then one of the tests that I do here is I actually do wear the headset all day long just to see if I can wear it and if I feel any pinching, does it get hot in the ears? And this headset was very comfortable. Of course, I'm in a controlled environment where the temperature is always at 70, 73 degrees. So it's really nice here. So it doesn't get hot, it doesn't get cold. So for me, it was very comfortable. And one of the other tests that I do is the around the neck test. So I am able to wear this headset around the neck comfortably. It doesn't like choke me out. But anyway, let's get into some microphone test. All right, so now we have the Yealink BH70 outside. It's windy conditions. You can see my beard moving around. And there's also some cars. So I'm trying to get it from every angle so that you guys can hear it. Because like, see, I can hear the wind blowing right now. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Yealink BH70 outside in windy conditions. All right, let's go on to the next test. All right, so Otis is barking. Oh, he did bark for a little bit, so that's what it would sound like if he's barking now. So that's what it sounds like when a dog is barking and you're using the Yealink BH70 paired to a mobile device. Let's see if he does it again. Let me try to get him to bark. I'll ring the doorbell again. There you go. So he's barking again. He's barking again. So he's barking again. And so anyway, so let's see how well this microphone blocks it out. Again, I'm not in a Teams meeting or Zoom meeting. I'm strictly paired directly to my mobile device via Bluetooth. All right, let's go on to the next test. Anyway, so now I'm standing outside, and you saw how loud it was out here. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Yealink BH70 in this environment. All right, let's do some more tests. All right, so I'm currently in a Zoom meeting with Ashley, completely separate houses here, and so I have a TV running in the background. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this blender back here. All right, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Yealink BH71. There's a TV running, there's a blender running, and I'm in a Zoom meeting with personal audio isolation turned on using the Yealink BH70. All right, so Ashley, were you able to hear that blender in the background?
No, not at all.
No. What about the TV that's still running?
No, I can't hear it.
All right, so there you go. Quick test. Let's go on to the next one. All right, so different meeting platform. We are now on Google Meet. I have Emily, I have Lexi, and I have the brand new Yealink BH70. And let's take a look at the audio or the decibel readings right now.
Oh.
So you see it's fairly quiet. It's only 30 decibels. So let's introduce some sound. Okay, so now I have the TV on.
Can't hear that at all.
No.
So it jumped up a little bit. But now, here we go. Okay, so now that I'm talking though, can you hear the blender in the background?
No.
You just sound a little more muffled.
Yeah.
Sound a little more muffled. But anyway,
Yeah,
so there's
like-
a quick test of the Yealink BH70 in a Google Meet meeting. The television is still on, by the way, and a blender running in the background. All right, let's go on to the next test. Okay, so testing this headset in multiple environments, including the open office. I have the Yealink BH70 here in an open office environment. So there's people all around me having conversations. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Yealink BH70 in an open office environment. All right, so there you go. There are some real world mic tests. Let us know what you think in the comments below. How did this Yealink BH70 perform? Because one of the things that I didn't mention in the very beginning is the price, and these guys are very low priced solutions. So they're all under $200 and just above $100. So if you want to know, reach out to us. All our contact information is going to be in the description box below. If you have questions about Yealink solutions, whether it's the BH70 or any of their Yealink headsets, reach out to us. Again, all our contact information is in the description box below. And as always, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.